I have 3 pencils here. Side effects by Pentel. That's a fixed sleeve. Real nice. These are 3 pencils I can recommend. This G207. I lost the cap. I was trying my hardest not to. This is a pretty good quality pencil too for the materials you're getting for the price point. I think this one was, after tax, it was $2.87. This comes with a really cheap springy aluminum, and just to go in a pocket or clip onto a shirt, it's fine. Grip tapers and widens, so it's ergonomic. Little cap at the end. It hides these really odd drafting erasers. This looks like something you would carry 10-15 years ago. This is by Casemate 07. That's just what I prefer when I'm writing on 07. Now if you see this tiny drafting eraser, hold on. You see this tiny drafting eraser? It's longer than it is smaller in width. So it does give you a little room to budge and use the eraser some. And it's not gonna run out on you so quickly. I mean, it will run on you fairly. It will run down on you fairly quick, but it's not gonna run out like in a couple of, like in 2 or 3 days, like with most normal drafting erasers. Gonna at least take a little more than that. 2 or 3. It all depends on how you erase, what you do to erase, what's your method of erasing. But it's not uncommon, but for what you got for $2, I found that a little unique. Because usually for that price, they give you those little tiny erasers, and they're not even of decent quality. I guess Casemate just did everything correctly for a budgeted pen. Now let's go into some ample lighting. Dance to the music. No, just kidding.
for your iPhone and Android. Magic 94.9. The 80s, 90s, and now. Magic 94.9. Trust it.
No way, I'm just gonna hold it up.
Jim Brown plus the two Dodger Roman tampers are sponsored. Both directions of the Courtney Campbell Causeway are just inching along. The Howard Franklin jam from Pearl Street all the way past the interchange. The Dandy Slow, the Selman eastbound is backed up. We also have southbound delays onto the Sky Road and we have a visibility board. 275 northbound in St. Petersburg sees a wreck before 54th. There's another accident at 19 and eastbound. From the St. Touch Security Traffic Center, I'm Amy Lawson on Magic 94.9.
Friday and Saturday, it's Bell's 2-day bonus buy sale. Hundreds of bonus buy store-wide. Buy one, getting 75% off. Entire shop of bras, panties, and shapewear. Entire shop of Leo Legends tees, $9.99. Floridian Dress Sportswear, 50% off. Izod Sportswear and PGA Tour Golf Apparel, 40% off. And standards for the family, up to 50% off. Go to bellsflorida.com to put your coupon online and take $20 off.
I forgot to mention this has a twist eraser, so you're not gonna run out soon. That's the side effects.
If you have the passion and motivation for teaching students with disabilities and have a non-education degree, the Hillsborough County Schools PATH program will provide everything you need. Visit the Hillsborough County School District website and type Go PATH to register for an upcoming information session.
I'm Dale Jr. My house, football is a really big deal. When I have guests over for the big game,
Fairly well. Don't overextend it or overpress. This works more like a really cheap drafting pencil. It's got a real nice feel to it. It's really easy to break the lead. As long as you're careful with it. The grip on here is plastic, but it widens. It's ergonomic, almost like you're holding like a pen, which is a grip that you love.
No interest absolutely ends this Monday at Ashley Home Store. This is hard. Giving you extended range and simplicity around the home. Frank House Networks offers you more ways to follow your sleep. Wherever you need. Learn more at Instant.com. When marketing folks for huge factory egg farms lay their own eggs, they can be doozies. For people from the farm, fresh, and our eggs come from cute little tiny farms.
How did they? How did they compare? Well, let me say this. Papermate makes a pretty good lead holder. And with the casemate, you get a pretty nice little case too. You don't see them too often where they hold erasers and lead these days. Excuse me. Now, this is made in Japan. Just because it's got a twist eraser. I'm gonna give it 5 out of 10 thumbs up. Just because of the sheer mechanism and the way it holds in the hand. 5 out of 10 thumbs up. And because of that pocket clip, because you don't see those too often no more like that. That's what made me get into mechanical pencils in the first place, and I stopped for a really long time and started back up only recently. Let's see. G2. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 5 out of G207. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 5 thumbs up out of 10 thumbs up. There are definitely better mechanical pencils. Mechanical pencils out there. But for the price, these don't disappoint. They really bring their game to the mechanical pencil world. I'm really liking this casemate, the way it looks, the way it feels ergonomically. This is a fixed sleeve. I don't prefer that. I prefer something with the retractable, which is why I might carry this more often. But I like the way it looks, other than that fixed sleeve. This one, I really like it. I was a little upset that it didn't have a retractable sleeve. But it's got the twist eraser. I'm not displeased with it. It's a little wide and fat, so I don't use it as often as I should. But it doesn't discourage or displease. Oh, note to mention that the casemate comes with this. It's got lead in it. Erasers 3. Then it comes I got this separate. Peppermint HB07.